Hey, what's up, everybody? It's your boy Q. You know who, and I'm back with another video. Thank y'all for kicking it with your boy Q today. So you're probably wondering, Q, where the heck is the headbutt? Actually, it probably sounds like I'm right behind the camera, guys, but actually, I am not behind the camera. I'm actually in my truck. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, man. Good to see y'all. Hold on, let me wipe y'all off. There we go. Y'all look a little foggy out there. So guys, I did decide to invest in a wireless microphone system, the one that y'all now hearing come through the camera right now. I very well can be out here riding my bicycle. What's up, fam? And y'all still should be able to hear me just fine. Hey, Miss Parker. And if I keep riding and want to go way down the street here, y'all should be able to hear me as well. Oh crap, my neighbor's coming outside. He'll be like, dude, what you doing riding this bike? It's small. Actually, it's rolling pretty good though. I'm way down here, man. I'm not sure how far this is, but I'm a good 30 yards away right now. Coming back. Sorry, I gotta deal with my heavy breathing. Here we go. Ah, crap. So yeah, if I ever just want to take a casual stroll now on my bike, I can put my camera down and y'all can still hear me. And actually, this is not my bike. This is Brielle's bike. Yeah, and it's on flat, like bad. One thing I noticed about all my videos, and I go back and watch every single video that I post. The main reason I do it to make sure everything looks good. The second thing is I'm looking to make sure editing was good. And the third thing, I always try to put myself in y'all's shoes as to what y'all are seeing watching the video. Like, is this something I myself would watch? And the one thing that bugged me the most has been the audio of my videos. It's very low. So hopefully with this system now, it will allow better audio for the channel. Also, I'm using the new GoPro. I upgraded to the GoPro Hero 11 Black. I was using the GoPro Hero 9. So hopefully the imaging quality come through a little better as well. I did some fine tuning with it. This does come with 2 microphone systems, so I can have one for myself. And if I got somebody on the channel, like maybe looking at the truck, they can have one as well. So the audio is clear from both parties. I'm very excited to use it, and hopefully it will make the videos better for just the channel in general and for you for watching the channel and supporting. So thank you again for y'all doing this for me. This is how I can give back to y'all and give back to the channel. So you probably see I'm out of breath. So where have I been? I haven't posted a video probably in about a week and a half. And guys, I've been sick. Really, basically is what it comes down to. I have been sick for about a week, about 7 days. This is the most physical activity I have done in 7 days. You probably can tell I'm sweating profusely, whatever. So yeah, I've been sick. So I haven't been able to upload. I haven't been able to shoot any videos, and I haven't been able to edit. Whoa, tripping. But honestly, how I was gonna do the 2 clips you're about to see were gonna be their own separate videos. But since I have not been able to get out and do anything, I'm pushing these out, just kind of get some content back to you all because I've been gone for so long. So the video you're about to see is one I actually did find my Camaro 2SS1LE that I sold for sale at Carvana. So got a small clip of that. I'm not sure what I titled the video, but if I did title it, yes, I cracked my dang windshield. I don't want to be repetitive because I do talk about all that in the video and the clips you're about to see. With that being said, me talking about the Camaro and getting the windshield replaced on red here, and then we'll come back and wrap this video up. Hey, what's up, guys? So I actually found my car. I've been waiting for this. I've been waiting for Carvana to list my car for sale. I was curious to see what they listed it for, and it's finally up, and someone has already bought the car. So here it is. Here she is. Here's Blue, man. And I never shopped on Carvana before, but you know, see they got the car, and man, she looks good. And they got like some notes here. So if you click that, it says 2 keys, and if you click this, it says paint blemish on the wheels there, which it did have a blemish. The previous owner did track this car, but other than that, they don't have anything else. But guys, look how much. What do y'all think they sold it for? I'm not gonna show y'all yet. They didn't take the 10 off. I'm shocked, actually. This is what they have it listed for: 44990. So basically $45,000. The car is on hold, so somebody's already went and bought the freaking car, man. I wonder if it's one of you all. If it's one of you all, let me know. But gosh, this thing is, look at it, beautiful. It's probably the best looking car on here, to be honest with y'all, man. There she goes one more time. So 45 basically is what they listed this car for. See this right here, man? Light shouldn't be coming through the garage like this. It's because this bolt here didn't rip out the freaking wall and it won't screw back in. Basically, this has to be moved. The bolt is stripped. And when it's super windy outside like it has been lately, it's blowing this dang garage door open, bro. And I gotta just either move this up, you know, or something. Anyway, get that bolt at least, but it's all good. Sorry, it's like a video like that, man. What's up, everybody? It's your boy Kitty. You know who, back. with another video. Thank y'all for kicking with you with Q today. Yeah, we gotta get this straight now, bro. Look at that, bro. And what happened was they forgot to put another bracket at the bottom. My neighbor, he has a bracket. He has 3 brackets. Anyway, the video today is about red. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I've been having some bad luck with red lately, man. So y'all just saw the last video where I spent $2,000 for a repair. You have to go check that out. Put a car right there. I had it that first week, and this happened. Let me show y'all. I actually need my keys. Hold on. So there's a funny story. We had a scare the other night. Brielle and I was watching TV, and next thing we hear bing boom at the doorbell. It's like 8 o'clock at night. So that's kind of late, but we do get people coming soliciting stuff every now and then. We checked the camera and saw a guy with a gun. I'm like, they got a gun. I'm like, who is this? And that's come to find out, he turned around and had police on his jacket. So I'm like, what the hell the police doing at the house 8 o'clock at night, you know? So I'm like, man, but I'm straight, real straight. We ain't got nothing going on. I'm like, okay. So I go down, answer the door. He's like, hey man, I just want to let you know, you left your wheel lights on your truck, and I just didn't want you to come out and have a dead battery. So that's all it was. He was super cool. I like, appreciate it, sir, coming by. Not all cops are bad, man. Y'all cut that crap out. But anyway, here we go, red. Let me talk about red, guys. So, bad luck, as y'all can see. You probably can't see windshield. Let me know if you can see it. Can you see it? You probably can't see it. Show you right there. Not sure if y'all can see it. Right there. Probably see it better from inside. I know you can. So, climb up in the interior. Look at that. Right there, bro. Here, all the way across, and it's actually been spreading ever since. One night, literally a few days after I got my truck, Brielle and I went out to eat. Was driving down the road. There was a truck in front of me, but I didn't see nothing fly off the truck, and next thing you just hear bang. I just heard it like a bat, you know. I don't know what it was, where it came from, didn't see anything. Like something fell from the sky and hit my truck. And I'm like, what the heck is this high up that hit my truck? I'm pretty high off the ground, guys. Like, my truck isn't normal height, it's lifted. So I don't know what the heck was up in the air that high that hit my window and cracked it that bad, man. So, yep. With that being said, this is longer than 6 inches. They always say if it's longer than a dollar bill, they can't repair it. I already did the dollar bill test. Bill stopped like right here. So all this is extra. So they can't repair it. So that means I gotta get my windshield replaced. And you probably think, okay, Q, what's the deal? Really no deal. But if you do know, and you watching the channel for a while, my windshield is tinted. I have 55% like high ceramic heat reduction windshield tint on this thing. It was $350 to get this windshield tinted. And guess what? I don't think insurance covers tint, because tint is illegal to tint your front windshield in Texas for sure. So I don't think insurance covered that. But I did call the shop, and they like, you can run it through your insurance and they will reimburse you. I would try it, but I don't think that's gonna work. Comment below if you ever had that work. And if you know anything about windshield repair, I have full coverage and comprehensive coverage. My deductible is $500. So if the price to repair the windshield is cheaper than your deductible, then the insurance just doesn't pay anything. You come out of pocket for it. And so to repair my windshield with OEM, I told them I wanted OEM glass. I don't want that aftermarket crap. Give me OEM. It was $476. So with that being said, the insurance is not gonna pay anything. I'm gonna pay $476 out of my pocket. If it was over $500, I would still pay my $500 deductible, and then the insurance would cover anything over that. That's how it works in Texas. I know some states windshield repair is free. With that being said, if I gotta pay $476 to get a new windshield, and then another $350 to get my window retinted, that's basically $900, bro. Am I close? I'm pretty close. Now almost $1,000, bro. I just spent $2,000 2-3 weeks ago on this truck, and now I gotta pay another $1,000 just to get my stuff back. So this truck, man, it's I told my guy Parker like, bro, it's a sign, sell it, you know. So I don't know, man. It's just like it's been one thing out of another, man. Your boy Q probably need to go pray. I need to go pray, bro. Like, for real. Like, what is going on? It is what it is. There's nothing I can do about it. It's just something that happens, you know. With all bad things, there's always a positive, I guess. I could take this opportunity if I tint my windshield again to go darker. Right now I have 55%, so I'm just show y'all what 55% looks like. And it's pretty sunny outside, y'all can see today. Not really, a little overcast. That's 55% right there, guys. So it's probably won't come up on camera as much as it does in person, but basically from my point of view, I can see the steering wheel and I can see the silver chrome on the headrest of each of the seats. From a distance though, if I'm like way back here, like you can barely see up in the truck. Like, so to me, 55 is a good balance if you don't want to deal with cops and you won't have to worry about inspections. Like, Look at that. You can see in it. It's enough to see, but then it's enough to know that it's a little privacy. I do have basically 5% on the sides, if you're wondering. It's basically 5. I say basically because somebody broke into my truck. I had the tint over here repaired with 5%. The other side has like 20 on top of 10 on top of 5, like layers. So the tint is basically 5. I don't know what y'all think. Y'all think I should go darker than the 55 or just keep it at 55? I like 55. Like I said, I don't have any issues. It looks dark, but then it looks clear. You know, it's like passable. You won't draw a lot of attention. On my Camaro, I did have 40%, 45%. It was dark, like you couldn't see nothing in the daytime. So I don't know. I'm not sure yet what I'm gonna do. All right, guys. So this is what it looks like driving in the daytime with 55% tint. So I'm gonna sit back, kind of let y'all see there what it looks like. And guys, if you don't know, this is my second time replacing my windshield on this truck. If you don't remember, the first time was when I went down that little ditch thingy, off-road thing, and got stuck. Man, I put a clip right there. Long day. The whole windshield was basically shattered, and I'm actually lucky to be alive because a lot of you all told me after the fact that, so basically a guy was trying to pull me out, the chain snapped, came right back, hit the windshield, and actually there's still scratches on my hood from that and the top of the truck where it snapped and hit. So I could have been died, cause it smacked hard, you know. I could have been died, could have been dead, you know. So I'm thankful for that, and you live and you learn. I had no idea that was a terrible idea. So if you're trying to pull somebody out, don't use a chain, man. Use a tow rope or something like that. I don't know how much footage I'll be able to get in there because it's the actual shop. I'll see y'all probably when the work is all done. All right, guys. Truck is all done. Let's take it a thumbnail. Here, as you can see, just finished. I can definitely tell. Still looks dark in the truck, but I can definitely tell that the tint is not on there anymore. Let's climb on the inside. Oh yeah. Oh, it's definitely a lot lighter. A lot lighter, man. You know what else? I can feel the heat coming in now too, bro. I can feel the heat coming through here. That is insane. So what that tells me is I gotta get that ceramic tint. I can definitely tell the difference. And that's the thing, guys, you know, you can get tint anywhere, but you get the quality. Yo, look at the Ram TRX over there. Let me go by there and look at that thing. That thing is freaking massive, bro. So that's what I'm saying. You can pay for tint and get cheap tint, but you get what you pay for. And like I said, I pay a pretty good amount for that tint, and I know it's expensive, but now feeling the difference with the tint off, oh my gosh, like I can feel the heat coming through here now. And it's not even hot outside. It's 58 degrees, bro. But I can feel the sun and the heat. Look at this TRX over here. Oh, he got it on like on some wheels too. Thing is freaking bad. I'm not gonna lie, if I was to get a truck, bro, like an ultimate truck, it'd be a TRX. Like, you some 14 watts. Is that a TRX? That is a TRX. That thing is nasty, bro. I like that. I'm telling you, the ultimate truck would be for me a TRX or a Raptor, like truck I would have forever. A Raptor R, something like that. Something you don't really have to deal with. There must be a performance shop over here. What is this? And I say that because look at this freaking Mustang. They got the hood off this Mustang. They got a Grand National right here. They got another Mustang, got another truck back there. Look at this. The Grand National's on a flat, unfortunately. Like, this thing is freaking, look at the tire, the rear tire on this thing. And you got another Mustang over there. And then you got another truck back there. And then here as well, you got some more Mustangs. Got a Camaro, another 5.0. I think these cars been sitting for a while though. But it has been raining, like I said. It literally has been raining like the last few days out here. So I can tell y'all it is a lot lighter. I will say it's a little easier on the eyes. I'm gonna be honest with y'all. Like I can see the clarity, but maybe because also it's a new windshield. A nice C6 Z06. I hope that's a Z06 probably right there. I think it's nice. I'm really debating getting the truck retinted, I'll be honest with y'all, because I don't know, I've been itching for a new truck. I really have been itching for a new truck, but right now is not the time to do it. Interest rates are crazy high, trucks prices are high. I don't know, we just gotta hold tight and see. That's why I'm hesitant to tint the windshield back, because if I get a new truck, that's gonna be a waste of money, you know, for me personally, but I don't know. All right, guys, so here we go. So this is with no tint on the windshield, so comment below, let me know if y'all can tell the difference. I personally can tell the difference from the interior driving the truck. That is a difference, but I'm not sure if y'all can. Yep, there we are. So I'm back home. Just want to show y'all the difference now as what I can see. Honestly, it's about the same. it looks the same almost. What y'all think? I know y'all probably can't see because the sun is reflecting, but I can see the steering wheel. I can see the two separate pieces, and that's about it. Like, if I get to this angle, I still can't see that much, honestly. Let me step back, like I'm walking up to the truck. Yeah, from back here, I definitely can see more into the truck. Like, when I'm coming from the gym, usually, I look into my truck, it's like pitch black. Sorry, it's windy outside. Pitch black, I can't see. But now, just from a distance, like stepping back, I can clearly see into the truck, you know. It was a difference, but so what they're telling me is I might want to go darker, but I don't know if I feel like dealing with cops. But I did on the Camaro, so we'll see. So the price on the Camaro, what they sold it for, is about what I was retailing the price of the car at when I was trying to sell it privately and everything. But just dealing with dealerships, trying to sell it to a dealership, they have to make a profit. So they couldn't sell me the car at what I wanted for it. But that's what I wanted for the car originally. So again, I took a loss on it. I didn't sell it for that price. They did not buy it from me for the price you saw. I got slightly less than that, but it's okay. It is what it is. So yeah, it's just cool to see. But man, that's a beautiful car, bro. Looking back at that video, oh, the Camaro was a beautiful car. And the next thing with the truck here, she still has not been tinted. I think I'm gonna go definitely darker on the truck for sure. There y'all can see this is just regular glass. Maybe 30%. I think 30% might be too dark. I had 45 on the Camaro. If I can get like a 45 on the truck, that would be perfect. Because the Camaro was pretty dark, but the Camaro is a lot smaller with way less windows than the truck here. So it shouldn't look as dark on the truck as it did on the Camaro. Sorry, I kind of had to get this one out before I got the windshield tinted, but that's okay. We'll just retint the windshield and there'll be another video on its own. I was trying to make them together, but just, I haven't put out a video in a while. Like I said, I've been sick, so I'm like, let me just get something out to y'all. So hopefully y'all understand. Hopefully I get to feeling better here soon. I just want to show y'all something really quick. Bro, look at this big ass spider on this pad, bro. Holy shit, he is freaking huge. Camera ain't gonna do it justice. If I saw that, man, we packing up, babe, pack up, move the house, let them have it. You feel me? I'm about to get back inside. I'm done. I still feel like I'm under the weather. So anyway, I'm gonna get back inside. I'll catch y'all on the next one. I can't even tell y'all when the next one gonna be because it's a beautiful day right now, to be honest, but it's supposed to rain the next 3 or 4 days here. So I probably won't even be outside, to be honest with you. So anyway, that's all I got. It's your boy Q. Thank y'all again. And I'll catch y'all next, baby. Peace. I guess I should go ahead and give y'all a start. I haven't started this truck in about a week or so. Truck is so much louder in person, guys. Turbos.